There are times when a thread chart needs to be edited. Perhaps new colors are added or some colors have been dropped from a line. You can keep your thread charts updated as these changes occur. Let's first talk about adding a thread color. Again, this can be done either through the Threads Docker or the Thread Colors dialog box. For Threads Docker, open the Docker by left-clicking on the icon, pin it in place, and click on Select Thread Charts. Select the chart that you wish to edit and click on Manage. That opens a dialog box where you can add a color. You can also rename, delete, or create a new thread chart. We'll talk about create later. Delete will delete that thread chart from the software. If there is a thread brand that you never expect to use, it can be deleted, or it can be renamed to something that is more meaningful for you. To add a color, click on Add, and then click on the arrow by Mix. Select More Colors, and then click on the Custom tab. The Custom tab is the best way to add a thread color if you have the RGB value of the new thread color. These are generally provided by a manufacturer of thread. You would enter the values and then press OK. Perhaps you don't have the RGB values and you want to add a color. You can also use the thread mixer box and just click on a general area and place your thread strand over your computer to get the best match. And then you can also use the slider to change the value of the color. When you find something that is close, go ahead and click OK, and that new thread color tip is added. You can type in the code, and for this, I'll type in 1400. We'll say that this color is called Pumpkin, and this is going to be in the Isochord 40 chart. And then click OK. When the color is added, it is added to the bottom of the chart. If you click on the code title, colors are reorganized by color code. By the name, that puts them in alphabetical order, and then they're all Isochord 40 colors. Let's say later you find out the RGB color for that thread that you added. You would first want to search for the thread color, and then once it's selected, click on Edit, go into More Colors, and click on Custom, and then enter the exact RGB values for that color. Click OK, and click OK again, and now that thread color is updated. If a particular color is removed from a thread brand, you can also edit that thread. First, search for the color that you wish to remove, select it, and then click on Remove. You will be asked to confirm that you want to delete the color and click Yes. Discontinued thread colors are noted in the thread charts now for version 9. If I select a color that I know has been discontinued and click on Edit, you can see that the word discontinued has been added to the chart name. You can do this for any colors that have been discontinued that you don't want to remove from your thread charts. Keep in mind that the delete that you see at the top of the thread chart will delete the thread brand. The remove that you see to the right removes a single color. Click on Close and then close the Select Thread Charts. You can do all those same things through the Thread Colors dialog box by right-clicking first on the Threads icon and then select Create and Modify. You'll see that same chart appears and all the same things can be done in this chart. For specific designs, you may want to use the Edit button that you see at the top of the thread chart if you want to change from the name of the thread color to how it is used in the design. So for example, I could select this color, click on Edit, and instead of the name of the color, I can type in Leaves and click OK. And that color is now showing how it is used in this design. Click OK, and then make sure you save those changes. This changes it for this specific design only and not for the thread chart.